Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we're going to be two-staging and ceramic coating a BMW X4M. Going to give it a light interior valet as well, just to make it completely fresh. So yeah, let's jump straight into this video. I hope you guys enjoy this one. Right, okay, so as you can see, the car is now inside, all dry. Just got to do, obviously, dry the wheels off and things like that. Inside, like windows in and out, will be done when I do the interior. But for now, it's just going to be assessing the paint and finding the best combo, like usual, really. But doesn't look too bad at all. So let's grab the torch out, which is here. And let's assess. This is going to be my test spot, so yeah, there is some scratches in it, but it's not the worst. It's a really hard colour to see, so I'm not sure if you can see, but there's a scratch there. There is marring in it, but this light, just you can't see it with this torch, but it's definitely marring in the paint. But yeah, let's crack on. Let's get this polished and looking sweet. Right, okay, so the first panel is polished. Like I was saying though, with this torch, it just makes the paintwork look perfect when it's not been perfect. Obviously, the trims need a lot of attention, which obviously I'll be going over. But, yeah. So these need a lot of attention, look at that. And the mirror caps. The swirly. It's really hard to tell with this torch, but the phone doesn't pick it up well enough. Yeah, it's not too bad. So yeah, just gonna crack on. I've got a hard cut and ultra fine finish so far on here. I'm going to do the door next, and then I may have to change again, but I mean, that was the best combo so far, so I will keep going along. If I have to change, then I'll change, but for now, that's what we're working with. If the phone picks it up. Right, okay, so the car is fully polished now, prepped, and ready for coatings. And then obviously the coating we're using, Infinity Wax Synergy 2. So yeah, let's lay some of this down now. Okay, so as you can see behind me, obviously the car is here. The car is all done, coated, polished. Now it's curing. It's going to cure for about, well, however long until the customer gets here. But I am going to say it'll cure for about 3 hours, maybe a little bit longer. So I'm going to jump on the interior, do all the windows, tyre shine, and just check to make sure all the coating's obviously wiped off. And then after that, I will show you guys the final product. So yeah, stay tuned. So here is the interior. Not the worst, not the best. Give it a hoover, wipe down, freshen it up, do the glass obviously. So yeah, let's crack straight on with that. I'm gonna start the passenger side. I hope you guys enjoyed the video on the X4M competition. Lovely car, now it's looking spot on. Obviously at the beginning of the video I did try to show the condition of the car and I couldn't really show it that well because the torch was like basically making it look like it was perfect, but the car was far from perfect. I think similar with the M2 video as well, the car looks better condition than it actually was before I'd even started working on it. So some people may think, well, why is he doing that? The paintwork's perfect. Both cars were far from perfect. It was just the angle of the torch, I guess I was holding it at. But once I brought the torch back further, you could really see all the swirling and marring in it. Obviously, the 2 stages eliminated all of that. And then on top of that is a ceramic coating. So yeah, customer's happy. The next car I have is his wife's car, which he's just dropped off now. So that'll be the next video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next one. Cheers.